Welcome to our Agile training program designed to elevate your professional skills. We offer a range of certification courses and micro-credentials tailored to meet the needs of both individuals and teams. Our courses can transform your approach to business agility and empower you to lead with confidence in today's dynamic work environment. Our Leading Safe course introduces the foundations of the Scaled Agile framework. Learn to align your organization around clear objectives and improve value flow from strategy to delivery, making your company more customer-centric. The Safe Scrum Master course equips you to coach Agile teams at scale. Learn to facilitate Agile events and embrace servant leadership, empowering your teams to become high-performing and engaged in their work. Our Safe Product Owner, Product Manager course is designed to give you the tools and insights needed to drive success in a safe environment. Learn essential skills like backlog management, prioritization, and aligning work with business objectives, all key to creating value for your team and organization. Join the Safe for Teams course to become a high-performing member of an Agile release train. Gain tactical skills to plan, execute, and continuously improve, ensuring your team collaborates effectively and delivers exceptional results. Ready to lead in responsible AI? Our Safe Micro-Credential course, Achieving Responsible AI, equips Agile professionals with hands-on skills to implement responsible AI in real-world settings. With a blend of self-paced learning and guided workshops, you'll learn to evaluate policies, draft impactful strategies, and create actionable plans to ensure transparency, accountability, and human-centered AI. Looking for a course not mentioned? We offer a variety of other courses. Browse our site to find more. We offer private training for you or your team, and all courses are available virtually. Register here online or contact us for private group training.